Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 2 ways I use aloe vera gel for moisture and hair growth. So stay tuned. So you're going to need aloe vera plant leaf, sharp knife, plate, blender, an empty applicator, a cup with a spout, cheesecloth or stocking, and aloe vera juice to dilute the aloe vera gel. First, you want to start off by cutting the bottom part of the aloe vera leaf. And as you can see, the inside is like a slimy, jelly-like texture. You want to make sure that all your pieces are cut first because, trust me, this process is going to get very messy and it's going to be all over your hands, making it very slippery. Next, you want to cut off the sharp edges. And you want to do that on each piece that you just cut. Next, you want to cut each piece down the center, and it's like pretty much you want to make it into 2 halves, revealing the jelly substance that's inside. So after you've done that, the next thing you want to do is carve out the jelly flesh from the leaf and place it in the blender. And you want to be very careful because this is very slimy and I do not want you to cut yourself. Now you want to pour a little bit of aloe vera juice in the blender. Sorry, I did not record that for some reason, but you want to pour a little bit in there, blend it up till it's nice and smooth, and then you're going to cover the cup with the cheesecloth or the stocking, and you pretty much just going to pour the gel into the cup so you can strain the aloe vera gel. And as you can see, everything is just pretty much oozing in between the holes that's in the stocking. And I ended up having to actually do this twice. All right, so the next thing you want to do is pour that strained substance into your empty applicator. Alright, so I've already shampooed my hair, and you want to make sure your scalp is clean before you add any aloe vera gel. It's pretty much just going to take to the scalp even better. And then also, as you can see, it's like a real slimy type of texture. So there are many benefits of aloe vera for your hair, and a few are, let's see, it relieves scalp and itching. It relieves scalp itching, reduces scalp redness and inflammation. It adds pH balance. It promotes hair growth. It repairs damaged ends. It eases antifungal properties. It helps hair retain water and moisture. It reduces dandruff, relieves sores, itchy and flaky scalp. It nourishes, moisturize, and protect both the hair and the scalp, leaving it soft and shiny. It stimulates growth of new and existing hair and strengthens the roots. Let's see, it also, aloe vera is capable of penetrating, restructuring the cuticle layer of the hair. You want to definitely make sure that you are getting your edges because your edges are the most strained parts of your hair, because especially when you're doing your protective styles, it's pretty much putting a lot of strain on your edges. So you want to just make sure that you are nourishing your edges with the aloe vera juice, well, the aloe vera gel. The next thing I like to do is to go in with an oil. And the oil that I used was Jamaican black castor oil, which stimulates hair growth, and almond oil, which adds moisture and so many other vitamins to your scalp. So I'm just giving myself a nice little scalp massage there. So I mixed some conditioners. I mixed 2 conditioners together. If you want to know any of the products that I use to wash my hair and to deep condition my hair and put this mask on, please go in the description box. I will have everything labeled there. Next thing I did is went on ahead and rinsed my hair with some very, very warm water because I wanted to open up my hair shaft, because now I am about to pretty much bring the aloe vera gel more on my scalp, and I'm going to bring it down the shafts of my hair. This aloe vera gel is so smooth, silky, and soft. Like, you can pretty much tell how soft and silky this aloe vera gel is just pretty much on how my fingers are gliding through my hair. I love it, love it, love it. So of course, the first way that I use the aloe vera gel is, one, I use it as a deep conditioner or a mask or a scalp treatment before I put on my deep conditioner and mask. After I do that, I pretty much add the conditioner. As you can see here, I'm adding the conditioner to my hair, and it just makes it so much easier, the process so much easier. This aloe vera gel has my hair so silky and soft. And you want to just make sure that you are getting this conditioner and aloe vera gel deep down into your hair shaft. So you just want to just keep smoothing it in and smoothing it in. And I just move on to the next side, and I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. So this is what the back looks like, and my hair is completely drenched. So after about an hour and a half of being under my hot head, steaming the conditioner aloe vera gel, my hair is soft, it's silky, it's shiny, it feels so, so good. So next thing you want to do, now this is the second thing that you can do this is the second way you can use this aloe vera gel. Well, the second way I use the aloe vera gel. So I went on ahead and rinsed everything out, and I am now going to prepare my hair for a protective style. And pretty much I'm going to use the gel, the aloe vera gel, as a base or a scalp treatment while my hair is pretty much in a protective style. Now, I normally do not do both at the same time. Like, normally I don't do the scalp treatment and the mask and then turn around and use the aloe vera gel as a styling product. But in this video, I wanted to show you the both ways that you can use this product. And you want to make sure that you're bringing the gel all the way down so it can seal in the moisture and close your cuticles on your hair shaft. I did not use any other conditioner. I used the aloe vera gel as the conditioner for my hair, or the leave-in conditioner for my hair, and I used a little bit of gel just to make sure I'm getting any flyaways or anything like that while I am putting my hair in a protective style. Plus, a little bit of soft holding gel just keeps the hairstyle in place even longer. By me doing this method, I'm able to keep my hair in this protective style literally for about 7 days. And because aloe vera gel stops itching and dandruff and it closes the cuticle shaft, it's just pretty much, I can leave this, I feel like I can leave my hair up for like 2 weeks, but who wants to do that? I like to wash my hair and get it nice and clean and just start the process over again. So as you can see, pretty much I am doing flat twists all the way back. I'm going to put 4 big flat twists in my hair. And I pretty much just bobby pin it down just to keep it in place. This is aloe vera juice. I like to re-wet my hair with warm aloe vera juice if my hair is getting dry. And just in case you didn't know, I have low porosity hair, so a lot of my products are warmed before I put them on my scalp or my hair shaft. And here's the gel that I'm putting on there. I'm gonna smooth it down, and then I'm just gonna pretty much, like I did the other, just flat twist it all back. And I'm pretty sure you guys know how to flat twist. If you don't, there are so many videos on YouTube that you can go check out to learn how to do flat twists. It took me a long time, to be honest with you, to know how to do flat twists. So I'm going to slow it down and show you in real time. You want to spray your hair with the aloe vera juice. And as you can see, aloe vera gel and aloe vera juice, the aloe vera plant itself is the star of this video. Okay, and then you want to add more aloe vera gel to your scalp, making sure it's getting nice and nourished. And you want to add it to your hair shaft also. And then again, like I said, you want to put a little bit of gel, soft holding gel, on your hair also, just to mold the hairstyle even better. Here's a close-up of what my hair looks like, and I must say it's very defined, very moisturized, and I think it looks pretty good. So once I'm finished flat twisting, I just go back in with some oil, making sure my hair is not going to be dried out by pretty much sealing it in with that oil. And then I bring everything to a nice little bun in the back and put my little piece on to complete this look. I wrapped my hair up for about 20 minutes just to make sure everything is molded, and look, as you can see, the hair is shiny, it's slick, it's nice. This hairstyle is good for the work, for play, for fun, for going out. I love this hairstyle, and I love the aloe vera gel. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, stay focused and keep moving in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity. See you later. Bye.